Rust is lighter than carbon fiber. Alright, step one. Bed bolts. Cut them out. 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 Cut them all out. So, this is step one in the dually bed removal. We even took the off of both sides. You can see the rust we're going for. So, carry on. Alright, so we got a Ford dually. Here's the bolts I cut. So, we're gonna do some blasting on the stuff that's salvageable, and then we have new parts for the stuff that's not salvageable. But there it is.
I don't think that Emily understood the concept of taking pictures for social media because she ain't sharing nowhere.
So it rained last night, and look at all the rust that fell off of the.
Yeah.
Alright, this is after media blasting. You can see pulled up a lot of the scale and the gunk that was on there. He even pulled this out and cleaned it. We're gonna go back through and treat it with some stuff to pull a bit more of the stuff off, especially on this, because this thing does a lot of work. So yeah. Alright, so here is the bed. We got the cross members removed, all the rivets drilled and ground out. We'll be putting the new stuff on probably tomorrow. Alright, this is our first coat of the rubberized undercoat. It's the rattle can stuff. We're using 3M brand right now. We also have some other ones because they only had X amount of cans on the shelf at the CarQuest here in Waverly, Virginia. But it's going along. Got some spots to touch up. Probably going to do another 2 coats maybe. There's enough cans for probably 4 or 5 coats. But and then over here, I laid out, you can see the marks. I'm going to drill holes in all the new cross members for the bed, and then clean up spots for spot welds. So it's coming along, it's moving. Alright, we got the Hobart Handler 140 set up, and we are putting in bed cross members. The first one was learning, second one was spot on, and the last 2 will probably be perfect. So here we go. Alright, all the cross members are tacked in place. There might be even be a short bead or 2 here and there. Vacuuming all the blast media out and gonna prime and undercoat. So on to the next. Alright, we got the first coat of undercoating on. Everything is welded and in place, nice and clean, ready to be put back on that monster over there. We're going to pull it around to the front and put the bumper and plug the lights back in.